Hello guys, today I want to talk about spinner game and I will show how you can craft spinner. What is important, on the official channel there was announcements that they give away 50 spinners. The epic one, there will be new collection. For now it is available only common, uncommon and rare. And to participate in this giveaway we need to have on our wallet rare spinner. And I will craft this one today. First, I quickly tell about all mechanics in this game. Below you can see different buttons. Let's go to the wallet. Here I have all my spinners. Yes, also there is my balance, and from here I can craft the new spinners. Next, referrals. For every referral you will receive some spinner points. The next button, the black one, this is main page. Next, there is shelf. If you go to the boxes section, there is daily box. We can collect some prizes every day. It could be all full HP or rocket. I go back and here all my spinners and I can choose my spinner here. If you will go to the more, there is the place where I can use my boosts, yes, rocket and full HP. And in tasks section there appears some tasks. I recommend to perform them. Now I will spin my spinners. So if you run this application for the first time, you will receive spinner. If you upgrade your spinner till level 12, you can convert it to NFT and you can sell it or continue the game. Okay, I spinned all my spinners and now let's go to the crafting. From the shelf menu, I go to the top right button and here you can see to craft uncommon spinner I need to have 4 common, and to craft rare spinner I need to have 3 uncommon. If I push to craft uncommon spinner, here I have the page with my spinners which are available for crafting. I go back and if I push a rare spinner, I have this page to buy NFT because I have only 2 uncommon spinner, yes, but I need to have 3. So let's go to get gems. I just push this button to buy and I'm transferring to get gems where I can buy those spinners. So this is the price for uncommon spinner, 1.5 tons. And if I clear the filters, there will be price for common spinner. It's 0.25. But be aware because there is a quite high commission. So if I choose the spinner, you can see here the commission is 0.3 ton. Yes. So and the total will be 0.55 ton for one common spinner. If I will buy 4 common spinners, it will be about 2 tons to craft uncommon spinner. I go back to my Telegram and here I push 1 uncommon to craft it and I choose my spinners for crafting and push craft. So here I have warning, yes, that if I confirm this transaction I will burn my 4 NFTs and also I will pay some commission. I push confirm and I am confirming the transaction in my wallet, so it's crafting. Well, I received. Okay, but now this is not an NFT. To convert this to NFT, I need to have 12 level. For now, I have level 1. So I need to upgrade first this spinner. Let's upgrade it. I just pushed on level 1 and I can upgrade it. So I push upgrade, have the second level. Okay, I upgraded my spinner till 12 level and now I can convert it to NFT. Here I go down and there is a available button convert to NFT and I need to pay 25 stars here. Okay, I'm paying successfully. Great. And now I see this spinner in the game but not in my wallet yet. I received the message in my bot that it will take about 3 hours. Now I can use it. I received this spinner to my wallet and craft the rare spinner. But in meantime, I bought for myself a rare spinner, the green one. So I paid for it 4 tons. Let's craft now the rare spinner. Now I will do it through wallet. I go to the wallet and I push craft uncommon spinner. Okay, and here I choose 1 rare. I'm ticking my uncommon spinners and push craft. Again, I have warning, yes, that I will burn my 3 NFT and I will pay commission 0.2. I confirm transaction in my wallet and I'm crafting. I hope I will receive some different spinner. So like for now I have the green one. Yes, nice, nice. The orange one. Okay, I push receive. Great, great. But this is not an NFT yet, it's just a spinner and it's level 1, yes. So I will upgrade this spinner and then I will convert it to NFT. And I will have 3 NFT and it means I will have 3 tickets and can participate in giveaway. So, if I will be lucky and I will receive epic spinner, I will let you know. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day ahead and bye bye.